So let me talk about the cell membrane just real quick with you.
Sure.
So here's your cell membrane. I'm no artist, but here's another one up here. And say these are nerves and they're trying to talk to each other. This one sends an electrical signal down, and then this nerve at the end squirts out serotonin, okay? And then it goes across, and these cells have receptor sites on them, and you've heard of this.
Yeah, this is familiar.
Okay, great. The serotonin goes across, and it like sticks in the receptor site, and once enough of that happens, then this cell says, oh, well, that cell is trying to send us a signal, so it sends the signal on.
Okay.
And that signal with serotonin is like, everything's great.
Right.
But it could be like something else, like, oh, I see a bear that's attacking me. Well, that might be adrenaline instead of serotonin.
Right.
And then it's a different response by the body, and that's normal. That's the way, this is how things should be.
Right.
Here's what should be is you should have a balance of omega-3s and 6s and 9s, and that makes your cell membranes like pliable and normal. Everything's balanced and everything's normal. Mm-hmm. But when you have too many omega-6s, you get too many 6s in your cell membrane, then what happens to the receptor sites is they kind of get like bent.
Okay.
You got all these omega-6 fatty acids that are just kind of bad. So the serotonin comes along and it says, oh, I can't attach to that bent receptor. So one of the things that we're seeing is your pituitary isn't producing enough serotonin, but also your cell membranes have too many 6s.
Okay.
So you've got this kind of double whammy.
Yeah.
And so far, all of this is just hardware.
Okay.
We talked about the hardware and the software.
Yeah.
All of this is just hardware. Okay. Like your hardware is not working right.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
It does. Yeah. It does. Yeah.